Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you this time for tuning into my 2954th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni again. Thank you, traders, for tuning in. I really hope these videos are helping you. These videos are geared to teach you the art of technical analysis. Turns out I'm pretty good at that art, so you should watch these videos and see if I could help you. Video number 2954 coming at you on a Monday night for trading on Tuesday, August 12th, 2025. Before we get started, please remember how risky trading can be. Risky. Never trade without protective stops. Put those protective stops in first if you want to live long in this business. Now let's get moving. We've got a red OMNI for U.S. indices. Red, even though it's green, we'll make it red. We've got a red OMNI for U.S. indices. Wants me to look for the sell side. Then I said, okay, let's look around a little bit. Well, does that look like a bear flag to you kids? Quick flag pull, consolidation up. Looks like one to me. Scary enough with the OMNI being red to say, looks like some downside coming our way on Tuesday. I get there's all kinds of reports coming out this week, tomorrow morning. Reports give OmniAx great fills. Don't you worry about reports. You put your orders in if you're following the Omni. If you're getting my trade recommendations, put your orders in. Don't worry about reports. They help us out. So, risky, yes, but we always put stops in, reports or not. So looking at this, I put it in this box, went, yeah, I think I'm looking at a bear flag here. I think you guys would agree with me. I don't think that's much of a question mark there. However, my brand of calling markets is this is not a bear flag until it names itself. When it drops down under the flag, gives itself a name, I'll remove the question marks. Till then, it's possibly a bear flag. We know it kind of might be one, but it doesn't. We don't name it till it names itself. If we get this day, it's been named. We'll see what happens. But the Omni is red, so that should help us name that formation. We'll see where it goes. What else did I wanted to show you on here? Look at this guy. Look at Mr. Bitcoin. Traders, I've been showing you this bull flag for quite some time. Bull flag, kept showing you with the arrows, kept it built, told you we were going to move down, and that personally I would buy at every level on the way down. Here, all the way down. I absolutely did. The only buys I could not get, I tried very hard, but they wouldn't fill me, was right about here. I couldn't get those fills, but I got filled everywhere else, and I even bought more back here on the way back up. Now, we just broke out of the flag, and it rallied up pretty smartly, and probably what happened here is we took out a bunch of buy stops, and you might have to wait a day or two and see what's going to happen next. Maybe Bitcoin wants to come down now and test the top end of the flag, maybe go through it a little, make sure it holds, then back up. We'll let it do what it wants to do, but we do have a red Omni, or at least I don't think we're going to touch Bitcoin is basically what the plan is. No touching Bitcoin, no buying Bitcoin on Tuesday. All right, so we've absolutely been telling you to buy it on the dip and on the way back up. And what did it do when it broke out of the flag? It started at 118,895 and rallied all the way to 122,955. Big rally there, kids. The flag absolutely worked. Now we've moved above that flag. Let's see what it wants to do. But that is a bull flag. It proved itself. It rallied 4,000 points from here to there. Big move in Bitcoin. What else is out there for us? One more chart I'd like to show you this evening, and that is Ethereum, ETH. The street likes it, BlackRock likes it. Wall Street, as I just mentioned, is starting to love it. We're starting to hear about other companies that are buying parts of it and blah, 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 and that is Ethereum. And look at Ethereum start to go. This was a bull flag, just as we suspected. It did break out, but it left a gap. Let me blow up on that for a minute. Let me just blow it up. You see the gap right there? Well, it left a gap. Maybe, just maybe, Ethereum wants to fill that gap before moving higher. That may very well be what Ethereum is looking to do, because it just jumped up, had a breakaway gap, jumped up again. But if Bitcoin comes down tomorrow, I think Ethereum has to come down a little bit too. Not that they have to trade hand in hand, but Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to lend themselves to one another. So let's give both Bitcoin and Ethereum a breather day, and we'll go short US indices if we can find an entry. Traders, I hope this helps. Please like and share these videos. Leave your comments all over. Australians, I certainly haven't forgotten you. Please keep filling out your OMNICAMP applications for Australia. I promise to call each and every one of you. We'll figure out a date sometime this week. Go to OMNIBootCamp.com to do that. Live with Oscar is where you meet me in my live trading room. The rest of this is keep your emotions at bay, kids, because you need to make smart decisions based on professional choices of a planned trade. Then you trade the plan. And once you do that, then we say, stop sore in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in my live trading room. Leave your comments. Please like and share these videos. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.